With me here on stage, with Stephanie here on stage, is County Executive Bruce Blakeman. And Bruce, it's good to see you again, sir. How cool it is that even on a day like today, we get to commemorate those who have given their lives for freedom. And I'm glad you're here to share the experience with all of us.
First of all, we are so blessed to have this amazing air show here in Nassau County. I want to thank Governor Hochul and all of the park police, the state police, all of the park personnel here in the state, who are partners in government. They do a great job. I also want to thank the Nassau County Police Department, who's playing a role here today. And this is a day where we can have some fun. But this weekend, we should all take a moment out and remember all those who made the supreme sacrifice so we could enjoy these freedoms. And we're so blessed to live in the United States of America. And I just want everybody, have a good time. But at 12 noon tomorrow and at 6 p.m., when you hear the sirens in Nassau County, please stand at attention, meditate, or say a prayer for those who gave their life in our American military. So congratulations to Bethpage Federal Credit Union, to all of the sponsors, to the Coast Guard, the State Parks Department, our police department, our volunteer firefighters who are here today. May God bless them. Thank you to everybody. May God bless America.
Well done.
I love hearing that. Thank you, Bruce. Good to see you on a very, very special Memorial Day weekend here, sir. Thank you. Wow. That's says it with a lot of gusto and with a lot of authority. We appreciate that so much. So we're going to take a break. And Stephanie, you have something else on that?
I do. I have New York State Senator Kevin Thomas joining me on the microphone. And what I love about this, Kevin, is your shirt. It says Seek Adventure, Find Joy. Sir, the microphone is yours.
Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great time here at Jones Beach. I'm State Senator Kevin Thomas on behalf of the